let's summarize the image formed by a convex lens. When the object is kept between focus f1 and the optical center O, the image is formed on the same side of the lens as the object. It is enlarged, virtual and erect. When the object is at f1, image is at infinity, it is highly enlarged, real and inverted. When the object is between f1 and 2f1, the image is formed beyond 2f2. It is enlarged, real and inverted. When the object is at 2f1, image is at 2f2. It is of the same size of the object, real and inverted. When the object is beyond 2f1, it is between f2 and 2f2. It is diminished, real and inverted. When the object is at infinity, the image is formed at focus f2. It is highly diminished, point-sized, real and inverted. Now, how to remember all this? This is a convex lens. This object is kept very close to this lens. That means what? It is between O and f1. It is so close to the lens that the image cannot be formed on the right side. It is formed on the left side, on the same side as the object. Okay. Then next is object is at f1. When the object is at f1, now the image is starting to form at the right side. It is at infinity. That means image has moved from left side to the right side. Okay. Now we will move away from the lens further. This object is kept between f1 and 2f1. Okay. So where is the object formed? From infinity it has come to beyond 2f2. Okay. Now this object, we are moving away from the lens. This object is kept at 2f1. So when the object is kept at 2f1, the image is formed at 2f2. Object at 2f1, image at 2f2, image, object and the image both are of the same size. So this is the cutoff point. When the object is at 2f1, image is at 2f2, it is of the same size. Now we are moving away from the lens. Object is kept beyond 2f1. So the image is coming closer to the lens. So when it is beyond 2f1, the image is formed between f2 and 2f2. Now the object is kept at infinity. These rays are coming from infinity. So the image is formed at f2. Image has come closer to the lens. Now see the size. It was close. It is totally a different image. It is virtual and erect on the left side of the lens. Okay. As we are moving away from the lens, this image is coming closer to the lens. Now let's look at the size. When it is at infinity, when the image is at infinity, object is at f1, image at infinity, that image is highly enlarged. Okay. Now we have moved further. It is between f1 and 2f1. The image is enlarged. So as we are moving towards the lens, image size is getting reduced. The cutoff point is 2f1. Image and the object are of the same size. Then it is getting smaller and smaller. When the rays are coming from infinity, this is a point size image. It is highly diminished. This is how you can remember. When we are moving away from the lens, the image is coming closer to the lens. As we are coming closer to the lens, the image size is getting smaller and the smaller. This is how you have to remember it. To learn about image formation in convex lenses, click the link above or in the description box.